Hello. So for Study Island, I want to clarify a few things, but at least show you guys kind of how you do Study Island. So when you go to Study Island or through Clever, whichever way, if you're on this one, it's on the one on the right, and then you log in with your username and password. Mine looks like this. Yours probably won't look like that. It'll probably look like this. I already have my class set up, so if you need help setting up your class, let me know. You are responsible for moving students in and out of your class. So if you need help with that, let me know. Here are the assignments that I have already. The ones that are at the top go to all the students. The ones at the bottom are for specific students because I have students at different levels. And then I can add assignments if I want. I can also just tell the kids, go over to the left, click on Florida programs, click on your grade, and do the work. So, like under science, you can say, okay, each one of these, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I can't count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, so about 15 lessons on these. What I do recommend when you're looking at science and social studies that you pull up the lesson on the left and the practice or the questions on the right. This is because some of the information comes directly from the text, from the lesson. And if the kid didn't pull up the lesson, they may miss something. So I normally teach them, okay, pull this one up, put it to the, left side of your screen, and then pull up your practice, put it to the right side of the screen. Because like this, it says they want to know, best way for her to find out. Okay, so this may or may not be there. Yeah, so this is probably pretty easy. But some of these are directly from the text. And so if they don't pull it up on the left, they're going to start bombing their questions. In order to get, where's my questions? In order to get the blue ribbon, they have to get a 70% on 10 questions or more. So down at the bottom of the screen, it will say, okay, out of, 0 out of 10 answered, and then it will give them their little percent over here. And so hopefully eventually it would get them to, 70%. When they do these, it goes off the best score. So it doesn't average it anymore. A couple years ago it was averaging it. Now it just goes off the best score. So they could do, so for 5th grade, the social studies teachers could have them do social studies. And I would kind of look at this and see like how many are there, which ones actually apply to you, what you're doing now. But it's, either way. And then for science, which ones are you actually doing now, or which ones did they score low on? So a lot of times you can take this and go, look at your results from your test, your science test. Which ones were the lowest categories, or standards? Then study those first and Study Island. Make sure that you understand, especially this nature of science, because this is a huge part of the benchmarks and FSA, all of those. So for teachers, if they wanted to actually do an assignment, which is more work, I just say go and finish and do them. But if you want to do an assignment because you think that would be best for them, you can click Add Assignment, create an assignment, and then, say, okay, stars or whatever it is, Mondays, or I like to actually label it with the exact standard or the exact topic so that way I know which one it actually was. Because later I go back and be like, Monday, be like, what do we do on Monday? So I click science, I click it. I recommend you only pick one thing at a time because otherwise you're going to have 20 questions, then 30, then 40, and it's going to be a little overwhelming. And I'd rather have them spend a few minutes, get it done, all that. So you go through, click it, add your students, assign it, you're done. So if you need any help with this, let me know. I know it's overwhelming. I didn't mean to overwhelm anybody. If we get through some of it, that's awesome. If we get through all of it, that's even better. So we're just going to do what we can right now. Thank you.